Man, what's good with y'all, YouTube? I'm just here to drop some info on y'all, bro. I just dropped some clothes. If it's past 12 o'clock Friday, June 20th, I just dropped some clothes for the community, bro. I'm holding out no longer. Y'all don't gotta watch me cook up. You can now have the cook-ups in your hands, feel, wear, and study the cook-ups. It feels surreal, bro. It feels insane. It feels like every day of the past 5 years since I've graduated has been like leading up to this moment, bro. It feels like it's gonna pay off this time, bro. It feels like all the time I've spent unemployed, you know, fighting for a bigger cause in my brain, but to some other people, I'm just fucking off. And bro, it just feels like it matters this time. And it feels like I'm probably gonna spark a little bit of change in the world. You wanna be a part of that change? Don't wait, bro. Don't wait. Go ahead and cop a piece. But this video, bro, I just wanted to drop some info on y'all so y'all know like everything about the drop before you cop anything, or if you already cop something, just stuff you should know, bro. You might need to have a refund while watching this and cop again, bro. I don't know. But essentially, all this stuff is pre-made already. You're not gonna be waiting for a manufacturer in another country to send you, nothing like that, bro. The tees got the signature brown cover stitching on them. I don't got mine on because I had to re-record this, bro. I had it on earlier. But they got the signature brown nostalgia cover stitching on them, but they don't have a bottom hem. They don't have a bottom hem, so you can crop them to your size. There's this Rick Owens quote that's like, the last designer in the process is a consumer. And I wanna be able to like bring that to life for you guys without making you have to cook the whole thing up yourself type vibe. So if you're a lady and you wear like a size small, medium, or large, you can cop true to size. But if you're a lady bigger than that, or if you're a dude, no matter what size you are, if you're a dude, go ahead and size up. Please size up, bro. I beg of y'all, I pray y'all heard that part, bro, because I don't wanna have to like redo the orders or refund nobody's order. I don't want nobody to feel like they got scammed. None of that, bro. Made to crop, and they won't come distressed, bro. You have to distress them yourself. They're DIY type vibes. Like, I would love to sit there and distress every shirt, but I might cut something that somebody might not like, and they might, hey, it's too frisky, or you know, you'll never know, bro. Some people may not even want to distress, bro. They might want the plain tee. So, however you want to do it how y'all want to. I didn't get one single pre-order, bro. I don't know why, bro. I tried to bless y'all. I dropped them in the Discord. I dropped first dibs. I was like, bro, look, y'all can resell it. I don't care, bro. This is just for the people who really tapped in. If y'all sat here and really watched me make these videos, y'all want a piece of clothes and y'all tapped it, bro, cop it for the low. I tried to bless, but I don't know, bro. Maybe the algorithm wasn't pushing me or something. I don't know, bro. I'm not even tripping about it though. If y'all, since there were no pre-orders, bro, if you dropped a genuine comment on any one of my YouTube videos before this date, bro, no trolling shit, like some supportive shit, bro, I'm gonna give y'all rebates, bro. We're gonna do $5 per comment up to 3 comments. You cop the piece, just DM me on Instagram or something, show me your comment, screenshot it, show me, and I'm gonna send you up to $15 back, you know, depending on how many comments you drop. Like I said, up to 3 comments. Rebates, bro. There was no one that copped for the blessed prices. Y'all, please get y'all rebates, bro, because I don't want the profit, bro. Please get y'all rebates, bro, because I don't want the profit, bro. It's gonna make me evil. Let me stop lollygagging. But no, for real shit though, low key though, it's not really just about the profits for me, bro, realistically, because like, okay, so I'm doing these freebies for the drop, and what are freebies? Stickers, hullabaloo, bro. I made lighter cases for y'all, bro. Y'all know, because if y'all seen the shorts, I've been spending the last week just cooking up these lighter cases. I think like 2 weeks, cooking up these Boro lighter cases. And for the first week, bro, the first 7 days after this Friday, when I'm dropping this video at 12 p.m., they'll be free for a week. After that, I'm posting them up on the website for $15 a case if anyone wants to support without having to like buy a whole tee, you know what I mean? Like have a lower price point for you to like invest, show you a little nostalgia love, whatever the case may be, bro. Every single shirt, bro, I'm gonna insert the clip from the one I recorded earlier right now. Bro, these beads, they're on there, bro. They're sturdy. This is the 4th wash, right? This is the 4th wash. I'm slapping them hard. They're not coming off, right? But they are way looser than they were whenever I first sold them in. As people are buying these shirts, bro, I'm gonna hit every single one of them with the exact same thing. I'm gonna do it again, bro, just to make sure. Like I said, they're not falling off. Oh, see what I mean? Well, now it fell off, but hopefully you ain't doing that to your clothes. But I don't want that to happen to anyone after you spent $35 on the shirt, probably more with shipping and handling and taxes, and et cetera, et cetera. So I'm gonna hit every single t-shirt with another hand sew, right? Boom, I told y'all, bro, I'm for the people. I don't care how long it takes. So yeah, there y'all go. I'm gonna redo every single shirt. Not redo, but add more hand sewing to every single shirt. My camera's about to die, bro. I gotta get through this. And then, bro, last thing I wanna tell y'all, bro, the pants are 101. The pants are there, bro. They're as cheap as I can possibly make them with sitting here for 3 to 8 days cooking them up. Y'all know how long it take, bro. The micro, what is it called, bro? I was about to call it microchip denim again. The motherboard denim literally took me a month to cook up. So, you know what I mean? I'm trying to, they may be a little bit up there to like the average normal person, but they're as low as I can possibly make them. When Balenciaga out here selling bull for $500, bro, they're as low as I can possibly make them. If you want something, please don't wait around and try to bro, there's not gonna be no discounts like whenever it died on me, y'all. But what I was saying was there's not gonna be no discounts like when I was selling on Depop. There's not gonna be no restocks, or that's not what this is, bro. If you've been watching this long and you still don't understand, I'm sorry, but bro, here, I'll explain it to y'all. Let me not be like that, bro. I love y'all, bro. Let me explain it. The people who copped gear in 2021 on my very first drop, no one can get that gear anymore. The only people that have ownership of that gear are the people that cop, like I said, from the people that cop from the first drop, right? As time goes on and I'll increase my prices, the only thing, people will start looking for the secondhand market type vibes. And I know this is way down the line, but y'all, I hope y'all believe in me, you know what I mean? But the secondhand market, that's all the clothes that you guys got, you know what I mean? And you'll be able to, if you're in a hard time and you just you had enough love out of the shirt, and we still locked in, so it ain't like you just completely lost connection with me if you don't have your shirt no more. Bro, sell the shirt, bro. Sell the shirt, bro. You know what I mean? I'm trying to I want to make this clothes currency, bro. And I know that I'm gonna get far enough to make them worth something crazy. So I just want the people who really truly believe in me now to be able to have their stock, if that makes sense. So there's no restocks, no discounts, none of that stuff. With that being said, bro, we just gotta see how this thing go. I'll update the drop vlog. I'm still editing those, but I'll just update that as I go, let y'all know how it went. I'm gonna show y'all how much I made, bro. I'm gonna be transparent with this brand. I'm gonna show y'all how much we make. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm recording this ahead of time, so that's why I'm gonna show y'all how much we make. I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel. I'll let you guys know how we're moving forward, but I got a good feeling, bro. Something tell me it's gonna go up. Like I said, bro, the last 5 years, there's been nothing but my love to the game. And I feel like it gotta be reciprocated, bro. Or it don't gotta be reciprocated, but hey, that's just my hopes. But y'all remember the past. That's who made you the person you are today, bro. I hope you get some gear. Or if not, bro, I hope we just still locked in for the long run. Love y'all. Y'all stay blessed.